What's up, everybody? Alrighty, we got live stream number 71. Hey, how's it going? Glad you made it. Okay. Whew. Oh my goodness, so hot in here. Whew. Heat wave in this bad boy. All right. Alrighty, Tiger it is. I like tigers. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying the streams. Let's see, I'm gonna add. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. Got everything set up. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Take a look at what we got going on here. Okay. Yes, this is I believe the end of the Asia session. Yeah, the Asia session is it's a lot different. Really, the only good sessions to trade is the London and the New York. The New York is actually the best one because it's London and New York at the same time. But London is just fine. That's the one that I trade and have been trading pretty much the whole entire time. Yeah, so if you want to trade and actually make money, most people go with the London or the New York or both if you can. Okay, let's go ahead and check the news. So this is Tuesday that we're coming up on now. There's really no serious news. There's some news during the Australia session, I guess, but nothing here, nothing on the London, nothing on the New York. So we should be fine. It's good to see. The EGBP might continue going up, maybe. Oh, wow. Okay, odd NZD probably continues going up. The dollar actually looks like it wants to come down. Let's see. Yeah, dollar might actually come down, which would be awesome. Well, it'd be awesome for trading. It's not awesome for some other things. Let's see. Let's check the majors really quick. Man, I make these calls, man. Let me tell you something. I put this red bar here last night when it was way back here. The chart was way back here somewhere. So I'm very consistent with my calls. I make the right calls very, very consistently. Just gotta pat myself on the back there. Let's see. You say you live in New York, it should be like almost 3 o'clock over there, right? Yeah, New York is 3 hours ahead of me. It's midnight over here, almost 11:45 coming up. Okay. Looks like Bitcoin is coming down. El Salvador wasn't able to hold it up. I'm gonna get myself in trouble talking on this damn thing. Oh my goodness. MKKM, how's it going? Good to see you. Be sure to hit that like button, everybody. Helps me out, helps the stream out. Okay. All right, so I'm just looking around now, trying to see what am I going to actually get into here. Where am I? I am on the west coast of the United States. Yes, sir. Let's see the yens. What's the yen? What's going on with the yens? Anything? Nope. Yeah, the only time I trade the yens is if they're all going in the same direction. I believe I've said this like 8,000 times, but if they're all going in the same direction and I get a super nice pullback during a very heavy either uptrend or downtrend, that's the best time to trade the yen. And if you don't see that exact thing, then I don't touch them personally. They're kind of unreliable outside of that one pattern. Okay. So far, I think the EGBP will give some trades, probably the odd NZD as well. And possibly the majors. Yeah, Tiger, you want to try to trade either the London or New York session at some point. And you see I get on here, I'll be on here for like 2 hours. Not even really. It's like an hour and a half, 2 hours, somewhere in there. So it doesn't take too long to get some good trades. Usually like 2 hours, that's it. Okay. All right. We got 13 minutes before the open. Yeah, New York session starts at 8 over there. So it's 5 over here, 8 over there. So you could trade until like 9:30 or 10. You'd have to change your gym schedule to a different time. But trust me, I'm in the gym too, so I know how important it is. I just was there. I was over there earlier today, doing my little run in my sauna. So I get it, but yeah, you can. Making money is way more important than, just go to the gym at a different time. That's what I would do. Okay, so it looks like this you Frank might actually break through this level here. And if it does, that would be some good stuff there. That'd be some good trades there, because it's probably going to just continue all the way down here somewhere. Spot me fly, how's it going? Good to see you. Yeah, I've always been a night owl type of person. I much prefer the nighttime than the early morning. That's just always been my thing. Yeah, New York session has the most volume out of all the sessions. Only problem is there's a lot of news that happens during the New York session. There's a lot less news during the London session, so that actually is like a drawback, because yeah, the news makes trading a lot more difficult most of the time. Okay, you're from Italy. Alrighty. Yeah, I've never been over there. I heard of some nice places over there. Let's see. Yeah, I doubt the dollar is just gonna go down from here. It probably pulls back up a little bit and then comes down if it's going to. So in that case, yeah, I don't want to go for anything. I don't want to go for anything too risky. Yeah, I gotta be careful. I'm coming up on the end of my challenge here, so it's actually over on the 13th. So as long as I keep this 2,500 or more, I can do the 14-day extension if necessary. If I don't finish it up by then, I think it's next Tuesday. So I gotta be careful here. This was the challenge where I'm taking. I've never had a challenge that went this long before. I'm really taking my time on this one, but I want to be more careful because I've been reckless in the past and lost accounts and things like that, and I really don't have time to be doing that kind of stuff anymore. So I need to find, well, I've already found it. I was going to say I need to find a way for stable trading. This is it right here. It just takes longer and it's much more boring, but you make steady profits, consistent profits every week, which is what I'm looking for. So it doesn't matter that it's boring, as long as I'm making money. That's really the goal here. So Is it okay for scalpers to take 1-to-1 risk reward? Not really. No, not really. I've tried all that type of stuff. It doesn't really work. 2 and 3 seem to be the best. I think 3 is actually the best, but it can be a little frustrating because 3 risk reward is a lower win rate, but you end up making more in the long run. So 2, you'll win more trades, but you won't make as much. So it's all about how you want to trade and how you want to feel while you're trading. If you're the type of person that likes a higher win rate, you might want to go with 2. If you just care more about the profits, then go with 3. You said, can you explain a little more when you enter of why you enter so I can take down notes? Yeah, I'm trying to be better about that. You're not the first person to say that. Sometimes it's hard to like explain why I take some of these trades. But yeah, just keep in mind while I'm taking these trades, I'm looking at the right side of the screen here. I'm looking at the 5-minute and the 1 hour. I'm very rarely looking at 3 or the 15. They're just kind of there, I guess, as reference points. It's nice to see what's going on all the different charts. I use the 3-minute for EMA pullbacks only. That is the only reason that I use the 3-minute chart. That's the only reason that's there. So yeah, 5-minute and 1 hour. That's where all the action is, and that's where I take all my trades from. So the question is the dollar going to just continue down, or is it going to pull back up first? So over here, or on the dollar index, the hour chart is over here, because there's no point in having a 3-minute chart up for the dollar index. That's a little bit crazy. So 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour is what I have for all the indexes and stuff like the S&P, where see, I have this one on the 15 actually. S&P really don't need to have a 3-minute. It's just it's too fast for that. Not that I trade the S&P anyway, at least not right now. Yeah. All right, so we got 5 minutes. EMA pullbacks are pullbacks to the EMA, so it's a really powerful pattern. My favorite pattern, most traders' favorite pattern. So if it's a heavy trend already, and then it pulls back to either the 8 or the 21 EMA. In my case, now you can use whatever EMAs you want, but I use the 8 and the 21. So yeah, definitely one of the best trades. So that's when you would get into the trade, when it pulls back. I'm sure I'll find one today. That's usually what I end up trading. I'm gonna grab my cinnamon bears. I'll be right back. I haven't even put a dent in that damn 20 pack of cinnamon bears. Hold on, do I need to refresh this thing? Hold on. Okay. Over a little bit. Okay, got 3 minutes, actually 2 minutes and 35 seconds until the open. Yeah, so spot me fly. Yeah, EMA retrace at that 200. Yeah, it's right at 50%. Like I said, the dollar should go up a little bit from here. I don't think it just comes straight down. It should go up and put in like another top. It'll probably go to around here somewhere. I don't think it will go higher than that. So I'll make that red here. Okay. So, okay, we got a bunch of stuff coming up now. Whew, got to open in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So we got to get ready for this. You never had cinnamon bears before? They're little candies. You see, that's what he looks like. Cute little candies. Happen to be really good too. All right, so if the dollar is going to go back up, I'll push all this other stuff down. I think this odd NZD is just going to consolidate for a little bit or go up. Either one of those two things. So that would push the NZD-U down. All right, got 20 seconds. I think I can get something right off the open here. Let's see. Okay, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going to happen with the majors. So I think I'm going to let it sort itself out for a minute. I don't think I'm going to get into anything now. But it would make sense for these backside dollar pair majors to go down while the dollar corrects up. That would make the most sense. This is in a super a paid ad for cinnamon bears. Oh, I wish cinnamon bears would sponsor me. Man, if anybody could hook that up, please do. Oh my goodness, I would have a heart attack if the cinnamon bears people sent me an email. We'd like to do a deal with you. CAD Frank. I don't even trade the CAD Frank, do I? No. Okay, I believe you. I don't trade that pair. So I don't know, buddy. Yeah, this is a super heavy downtrend here. So what'll happen here is it'll continue going down or it'll consolidate. There's almost no way for this one to come up. It's just too heavy. Yeah, I don't want to make this too much about, you know, fitness and stuff. But I'm glad to see that other traders are into the fitness as well. I am glad to see that. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy spirit, all that good stuff. Okay, so maybe the dollar does just come down. Maybe. Wow. All right, what else is going on? Audience ZD is going up. EGBP is chopping around. Probably goes up. All the good trades on the EGBP were yesterday, so I don't know if there's going to be any more today. The market's kind of out of alignment today. Healthy bank account, that's right. That's the most important one, really. I always say if we didn't have this like fiat currency system, it'd be, you know, it'll be food, or it'll be some type of resources anyway. No matter what you do, it's going to be who can gather the most resources and provide the best for themselves and their family. It's always going to be that. So you can take all this paper money away, it's just going to be something else. If they take the Forex market down, people are going to be trading gold and silver, or they'll be trading, you know, alcohol or something. It's always going to be something. You don't get the charts. Yeah, it takes a while. It takes a while to understand what's going on. You just have to study. If you really want to be able to do it, then you'll study and you'll find a way to do it. Okay, let's see. It does look like the dollar's going to go up first, like I was expecting. The problem is this is in a super heavy uptrend. This is in a super heavy downtrend. So the move is not like lining up with what I needed to do. Yeah, it's misaligned. That's what I'll call it right now. Yeah, I'll say it took me a solid year of studying every single day before I even understood what was going on, and then like another year after that to really like get it down. And now here in year 3, I can say for sure that I definitely 100% understand what's going on. And the only problem now is I every once in a while have like a lapse in discipline and I'll risk too much or something like that. But for the most part, you know, I pretty consistently profited, and yeah, even with a couple red days, I'm still very much up on the account, on this one in particular. Yeah, gold is pretty much a part of Forex now. Gold and the S&P and the other 2 big indexes. I think it's the Dow Jones and I forgot the other one because I really don't trade those, but yeah, the big indexes, gold, silver. You can even count like the top 10 stocks into Forex because most brokers will let you trade those too. How many hours do I watch the charts? I only trade now for like 2 hours tops, 2.5 hours at the absolute most. Today's looking like it's gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer to get anything since everything is so misaligned right now. I really don't see anything to trade at the moment. But yeah, there's an endless amount of different ways to do this. So many different styles, so many different things you can trade. So one person's way of doing it is not necessarily better than someone else's. They might have just found a different edge than you did. As long as you can find your thing, then that's really all that matters. Find what works for you and stick with that. Okay, so if the NZDU ends up going up any further, I might be able to go short here. That's really the only safe one I'm seeing. I think it's kind of too late to get into the GU. The UCAD is just all out of whack right now. Yeah, revenge trading is or was like my biggest issue, and now it's not that much of an issue. I always say you have to know how to lose properly as well. So if you're having a losing day and you lose, my personal rule is three trades in a row. If I lose 3 trades in a row, then I just stop that session and wait until the next session, because either I'm not in alignment or the market is not in alignment, because you really shouldn't be losing 3 trades in a row. So that means you should pack it up for that day, clear your head, and then allow the market to get to a new place so you come back the next day, and you should have much better results, because that's usually how it goes. Yesterday was kind of easy, so today is now not so easy, and then tomorrow will be easy again, and then Thursday will be not easy, and then Friday will be easy again. That's kind of how it goes, mainly because the easy moves come off the dollar. So if the dollar moves a lot one day, it's probably going to consolidate the next day and then come down the following day, and that's why it works like that. So yeah, today is gonna be like slim pickings. Yeah, the yens are kind of moving, but not really. I'm not really messing with those today. And then the G and E cross pairs are also kind of moving, but like I say all the time, I don't feel like those are tradable right now, so I'm not messing with those either. All right, so we're just looking at our usual stuff here. This is gonna probably just bounce around for a little bit. EGBP will probably eventually go up. That's what I'm assuming here. How many trades do I take a day? Usually between 2 and 4. Because my goal for the day is 5% or 5 reward, however you want to put it. So that usually takes at least 2 trades. But if I make 2 or 3 reward, 2 or 3%, I'm happy with that too. Definitely not mad at it. Okay. Yeah, this is such a heavy downtrend to buy into. I think you could buy right now and be able to get away with it, but it's super heavy. Yeah, it's too misaligned. because I do think the dollar probably comes up, like I was saying earlier, to like this red line. GBP, JPY. I wouldn't touch it. It's not in a predictable area. It probably comes down for a little bit and then goes back up. I wouldn't take any trades on it though. Spot Me Fly said, I purchased your course so I get the charts and have a good win rate, but I have to improve risk management. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for the purchase. Glad you're enjoying the course. Yeah, risk management. It all depends on what you're doing. If you're trading a challenge, it's way different than just trading a regular account, not doing a challenge. So the challenges are much more difficult. Like just trading a regular account, just keep your risk at 1% or 2% at the most, and just do that every time. Until you're more experienced, I wouldn't recommend compounding all the time. Even I don't really do it. I'm only 3.5 years in. You know, I feel like I need maybe 4 or 5 years of experience before I'll compound 24/7. But compounding is the best way to go as far as profit. So yeah, you're trading the challenges. Yeah, the best way to do the challenge really is to wait for 3 solid EMA pullbacks and don't trade anything else, and just do that. So if you don't see one on the day, then don't take any trades. Compounding is the way to go as far as the challenges, for sure. I've tried it all the different ways. Okay, things are starting to sort themselves out a little bit more here. I still don't see anything super solid yet. I feel like we're getting there. Like I was saying, I still think the dollar index goes up for a little bit. So I'm kind of waiting on that right now. I don't think it's just going to break through down here. I don't see that happening. So I like to go short either on the NZD U okay, I think this is actually it here. So where is it? Okay. All right, NZDU, I'm gonna go ahead and go for it. Or am I? Let's see. Yeah, it's not the best trade. It's really not. I'll be going short during an uptrend while the UCAD is like pulling the dollar down. So it's not the best idea. I'm gonna skip that one actually. It's probably not going to go that far. It probably will come down for a little bit, but probably not for very long. Going long here is probably a better idea. Okay, this is a much better trade. Okay, EGBP buy. Okay. 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 All right, so I went long here, mainly just based off the hourly chart. It doesn't look like it is gonna come down at this point. Uh, 86.35. 6. Okay. Okay. All right. So hopefully I'm right on that one. Because I'm not seeing a whole lot more to trade. So. Okay. And it's only 17 pips. So it's really not asking for much. If I do get the trade, it will be plus $900, which is great. And it looks like I was right about that NZD coming down. I probably maybe should have gotten into it, but I decided not to. It is coming down though. And the UCAT is going up. Yeah, this is way too heavy of a downtrend. You can't, yeah, I wouldn't advise buying into that. That's just a little bit crazy. Okay, so good to know that I was at least right, but I still don't think it was all that great of a move. So I don't regret not taking it. Be sure to hit the like button if you guys are enjoying the stream. Definitely appreciate it. All right. Yeah, today's pretty choppy, really. Not very many opportunities so far. Okay. I think I'm gonna take this trade here too. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just jump into that one too. Okay. You Frank. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Almost missed it. I didn't even have time to explain it. I think I was right at least. Hopefully. Oh shit, maybe not. Oh, shit. Was not right on that one. Okay. What was that? A news event? No. I don't know. Everything starts swinging all wildly. Okay, it looks like it probably was right on this one at least. Oof, man, this is a choppy day here. Okay. Okay, I gotta retry that. You, Frank. How do you look at news events? You go to Forex Factory or FX Street. Just type like Forex News in the search, and you'll get a bunch of different places. Okay, so I got into a short here. It happened so fast I couldn't even explain it or put it on the thing or whatever. Okay. I think I do have this one here. So if I get both of these, it'll put me at 3,600, which is great. Oof. Oh man, hopefully this is not a loss here. That'd be pretty bad. Yeah, the Frank pairs can be a little strange like that. It is possible. Oh damn. Yeah, maybe it is a loss. Yeah, today might just be too choppy. Well, this will be, if I do lose this one, it'll be 2 losses. We'll see what happens here. I might just let that EGBP one run, and that might be it for today because it's looking just kind of, it's kind of chopping all over the place. So on days like this where it's not doing anything predictable, you know, it's best to just leave and come back the next day. Okay, I might still get this one. Super risky though. Okay. I think I got saved on that one. Maybe. Shit, I might have to do the retake. This thing is taking so long, I might have to just do it over. Well, luckily you get a free retake as long as you have a profit. So I think it's like next Tuesday. When is the 13th anyway? Yeah, I think it is next Tuesday. I mean, that's an option. I've never taken this long on a challenge before, but like I said, I didn't have any like super blowouts or anything like that. What main event do you look for on the news? Look for either multiple yellows and oranges or reds. Those are the ones that actually move the market. Especially red news. Those are the really substantial ones. Yeah, I'm like, I don't know if I want to. I don't want to get too risky. Let's see. And 15 can only be 15, right? Let's see. And 12, 17. Yeah, I might end up losing this one. This trade, rather. Oh, God. Okay. All right. Not good. Not good. Yeah, you know what? I might just end up doing the retake. Yeah, I guess it's the extra added pressure and stress of live streaming the challenge. But I've gotten used to it now. But I don't know. Maybe I just need like a fresh start of it. I'll still continue on. And, you know, try to get it done before Tuesday. But I don't even think I want to do the 2-week extension thing, 14-day extension thing. Yeah, it is like an extra layer of stress for sure. Streaming the whole thing. Well, like I said, I'm used to it now. It's cool. So, yep. We'll see. I think on Tuesday I'll just restart it. Okay. You can. I'm gonna leave that you Frank alone. Do I live alone currently? Yes, for most of the time. Well, the good thing is they've lowered the minimum trading days down to 4. It used to be 10. So it's a lot faster to finish the challenges now. If you want to get it done quick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. One more. Seven. Four. And 26. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's probably the hardest part, is waiting for super solid moves only They have a printed pattern, all that good stuff. Not getting discouraged on days like today where there's really not much to trade. Oh yeah, and there's still a chance that I can finish it before Tuesday. And you know, like I said, I could do the 14-day extension. So we'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling on Tuesday. I've got the option to do either one. I can just do the retake or do the 14-day extension. All right. So, if I get these two trades here, I'll be up 1,000 for the day. And that's if they both go through. Which is hopefully the case. That would be pretty nice. Okay. What else we got? What else we got? Man, that you Frank popped up like crazy. Craziness. Okay. All right, so this one's looking pretty good. I'll actually put it on here. For 13, 4. Okay. Antonix, how's it going? Yeah, I had a couple different compound cycles going. And I'm just trying to finish off at least like one of them. But like I said, both of these trades go through. I got the EGBP long and the UCAD short. If both of these trades go through, I'll be up 1,000 for the day. So that'll put me at 3,600 for the challenge. And it does look like they'll both go through, I believe. As long as I make it through this little area here. Because I don't want to move the stop down here, I don't think. Yeah, I think I made it through, so. Yeah, these both look pretty good. And it's not very far. It's like 15 pips or something like that. So it's really not asking for much. So yeah, hopefully they both go through. And like I was saying, that'll put me at 3,500. All I need is another 1,500 to get done, and I have until Tuesday at least to get until that 14-day extension. So we'll see. It all depends on what happens. Maybe I'll finish it before Tuesday. Yeah, I probably will go for the 14-day though, the extension, because why not? And you still get the free retake anyway. So as long as you leave out of the extension part with at least $1 in profit, then you also get a free retake too if you don't finish it within that 14 days. So it's really the way to go. Yeah, something about streaming this whole thing is throwing me off a little bit. But like I said, I'm getting used to it. I think I'm used to it now. And if I get one trade and lose the other, I think I'll be like down 300 for the day. So it'll be a red day in that case, but not a big one. So Antonix, you said the only problem for me to trust compound entry is that I can never know which setup will jackpot. The roller coaster is too hard for my personal psychology. Yeah, I know what you mean. Like I said, if you go for EMA pullbacks only, super solid ones, that's probably the way to go. So just take all the other patterns out. Don't worry about double tops. Don't worry about engulfing tops. Don't worry about parabolic tops. Trade EMA pullbacks only because they give you the tightest entry and they almost always go at least 3. So those are the ones that you should compound on. I'd say the hardest thing about compounding is that you can't move your stop at all. Like once you get to that third compound trade, you definitely can't move your stop. It has to be whatever you set. And that's why, like I said, EMA pullbacks are the best because you get that nice like 5 pip stop loss, 6 pip stop loss, or maybe even like 8. So that means you're at the most going for like 24 pips. And if it's a good move, it's almost always going to go 24 pips. So that's my take on it. Compounding is an advanced strategy, probably the most advanced strategy out there. So, you know, I'd say it's for people that are very, very seasoned. They definitely know what they're doing, definitely know what to look for, have the discipline built up, have a lot of patience built up. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I went for the Hail Mary, that's why. I should have just kept it steady at the end there, but I was just getting frustrated. I've never traded this like safe before, so I wasn't used to like the slow, steady growth. And I was like, let's just get this thing done. Went for the Hail Mary and lost it, and yeah, man. Right at the finish line, it just didn't finish it up. Well, that's okay. I'm not like out of it or anything. Like I said, I've got plenty of time to do it, so it's okay. And yeah, I took a compound trade on that EGBP trade, so I can't move the stop. Even though I kind of want to. I kind of want to move it like down beneath here. That would be the smart thing to do. And how many pips is that? Oof. It's like 4 pips. Nah, I can't do that. It's like double it. No, I can't do it. So I just gotta let it run. So hopefully it works out. I think the UCAD one should be fine. Yeah, the highest I was at was 4,444, I think. Okay. All right. Honestly, they're both looking pretty good. Both looking pretty good. You know the Forex market. Anything can happen. So not gonna get too comfortable yet. I'll probably stay on here a couple more minutes. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, like I said, if I get these, I'll be back at 36. It's not even that far off from where I was. So I mean, you know, I might be able to finish this thing by the end of the week. We'll see. I'm in no rush. It really doesn't matter whether I finish this week or next week or the week after. It's fine with me. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping my sanity. This is by far the best I've ever traded. And you know, this forced me to quit vaping too. That's like really, really big. You have to understand, I was a cigarette smoker and vapor for like 17 years, 16 years, something like that. Long time. And the fact that I was able to just quit like out of nowhere, I'm pretty amazed at myself on that one, because I never thought I'd be able to quit. But I said I want to be a better trader, and me getting rid of this impulsive behavior is going to make me better, so I'll do it. Yeah, this is by far the best I've ever traded pretty much in my life. Yes, me trying to be the best trader that I can be made me quit smoking. That is true. If you look back in my other videos, you'll see me with my vape constantly. You said cigarettes are better than vapes. They're both bad, really. They're both bad. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I might lose the EGBP one. It's getting close. Yeah, I think I lost that one. Now I'm gonna be pissed off if it goes a little bit further. Or if I was able to move the stop down. But I can't though because it would be too much. So I'm gonna leave it. Okay. Yeah, I think my UCAD trade goes through for sure. The EGBP one I'm a little iffy on. Oh, okay. Yeah, I lost the EGBP. Oh shit. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, huge red day so far. But if I at least get the UCAD trade, I'll be at like minus 300 for the day. So it'll still be a red day, but not a terrible red day. All right. And then, like I said, if I would have been able to move the stop down here, it probably wouldn't have failed. But it was a compound trade. I couldn't move the stop. So I'll leave that red line there just to see if I was right about that. Okay. So I'm still in this trade here. UCAD short. I'm just I'm banking on the dollar coming down. It made this little move up, but I think it continues down for a little bit. So that's this trade here. Hopefully it works. Other than that, I don't have anything else going on. I don't really see much else to trade either. So I will call it a day there. And I'll let you know what happened in the recap in the morning. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.